I am currently in the town of Highbridge, just north of Clinton in eastern New Jersey. Highbridge was located on the Central Railroad of New Jersey, which was an important main line that connected New Jersey to Pennsylvania and connected important cities such as Allenstown, Pennsylvania. Highbridge was named for an imposing 1,300-foot long and 112-foot high bridge that carried the railroad across the south branch of the Raritan River. The bridge was constructed in 1852, however, it was found to be unstable and rose and sagged considerably when trains passed over. It was deemed to be unsafe even by 19th century standards, and between 1859 and 1865, this massive fill was built in its place, with 2 tunnels through it, one of which the river travels through, and the other is currently being used by a road. The track is now used by the New Jersey Transit as part of its Raritan Valley line, which terminates in Highbridge. This is Highbridge Station, which was originally on the Central Railroad of New Jersey. The original station was built in 1856, with subsequent stations built in 1869 and the current station in 1913. This station is now used by the New Jersey Transit and is the last station on the Raritan Valley line. This path was once the site of the Highbridge branch of the Central Railroad of New Jersey. The Highbridge branch connected the Central Railroad of New Jersey to the Delaware, Lackawanna and Western Railroad and to the New York and Susquehanna Railroad. The branch was an important conduit for transporting iron ore from mines in northern New Jersey to the Taylor-Wharton Iron and Steelworks in Highbridge. The line was opened in 1875 and operated until 1978, when the line was bought by Columbia Energy to be used as a path for gas pipes. The track was removed and the right-of-way was turned into a hiking trail. Highbridge was the home to a large Irish population, and many Irishmen worked at the Taylor Iron Works. This building is the St. Joseph Catholic Church, which would have served Highbridge's Irish Catholic population. The original church was built in 1879, but it burned down and was replaced in 1898 by the current building. The cornerstone of this church was taken from the ruins of the St. Bridget Abbey near Cork, Ireland. The symbol on the cornerstone is the Celtic cross, which is associated with the Irish Catholic Church, and the year 734 denotes the date which St. Bridget's Abbey was constructed.